Hello guys, this is Vidya and I'm from final year of CSC department and my registration number is URK17 CS100. Today we are going to discuss about the fundamental operations of perl. Our aim is to execute the basic perl programs. Firstly, let us see what is array in perl. An array is a variable which stores the ordered list just as in the previous cases like in Java or C++. Array variables are preceded by an at symbol in this Perl programs. To refer to a single element of an array, we'll use the dollar sign with the variable name followed by the index of the element. Here we can see that at the rate ages, it's an array, and names, it's also given as this. So we are going to print only for the single element of array, we are using dollar. Arithmetic operations of Perl, we are having addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponent, as in the same as in the case of Java and C++ and all the other languages. Firstly, here the first question asked for us is to demonstrate the various operators in Perl. For that, we are having a procedure, and for that we need to get the choice from user. Either it's a arithmetic, comparison, string, or bitwise operation. If arithmetic operation, then we are going to select it, or if it's comparison, then we are going to select it. Then we are going to perform the operation and print the value. If comparison operation, we need to select 2. If out string, then we are need to select 3, like that. So we need to enter the 2 values, and then we need to check if the value is greater or less, and then we need to print. If string operation, then we need to enter 2 strings. We need to perform the concatenation operation and then print the result. If bitwise, then we need to enter the 2 values and perform bitwise operations and then print the value. So here is the source code. So firstly, we need to ask the user whether he needs to perform an arithmetic, comparison, string, or bitwise operations. For that, I am declaring S as stdin, in which we are going to, I have performed it on the online Google Perl compiler. So if C equals to 1, so that is arithmetic, then I am going to take the 2 values and then choose the in arithmetic operation addition, subtraction, multiplication, or division. And then in that I am going to take an nested if, in which if it's a sum, then I am going to do the sum of numbers. If it's the subtraction, multiplication, I am doing it differently. And then if it's none of this, then I am going to print as invalid option. Now if it's a comparison operation, then I'm going to enter the 2 values. If they are equal or not, I'm going to check it and then print the lower values and greater values. And if the string operation, then I need to enter the 2 strings, concatenated strings, and then I'm going to print both the strings together. And if it's a bitwise operator, again we have left shift, right shift, and bitwise or bitwise and all these operations. So I'm going to perform these operations. So here we can see the output of it. Here I have the total program, and here I'm going to execute it, and here we got the answer output. Now the second question is print 10 inputs received from the user. For that, I am going to create a for loop which executes from 0 to 9 and then input values into an array and then print the array. The source code goes like this. Firstly, we need to enter the 10 values, and using a for loop, I am going to print the values and then array. So the output here is same. I have entered the 10 values and the inputs are this and the output values are this. So in this way, the basic Perl programming programs are successfully executed. So I think we are pretty good with fundamental operations of Perl. Thank you for watching.